I'm going to be upgrading the stock speaker on the Seat Leon to JVC 300 watts. Alright, so remove the grill. And then you took stock speaker. Is the blue, which is our negative, and the green, which is our positive. These two we're not going to be using, so we can just leave them as they are. So strip the wire a little bit back. There you go. Then get your little wire, which you're going to connect into the speaker. You can hook it up. So now we're ready to solder. Now let's have a quick sound check, see if all is working. Once you know everything's working, you can just solder it all up. So what I like to do is add a bit of sound deadening material to the speaker grill. So add a little bit here. And that's it, job done.